Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the passwords and security. Now let's scroll down to find the privacy, and here in advanced enter encryption and credentials. As you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option clear credentials, so just tap, and here your device will ask you if you want to remove all the contents. So just tap on OK. We've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.